Want to encrypt your files with WinRAR? WinRAR can create password-protected archives and encrypt the data inside them, helping protect sensitive files from unauthorized access. In this full guide, I'll show you how to encrypt files with WinRAR in 2026, step by step. So let's get started. First, open File Explorer and locate the files or folders you want to encrypt. You can select one file, multiple files, or an entire folder. Hold Control to select individual items, or press Control plus it to select everything. Now right-click the selected files and choose Add to Archive from the WinRAR menu. This opens the Archive Settings window where you can configure the encryption options. At the top of the window, choose your archive format. You can select RAR or zip, depending on your needs. For this example, we'll create a RAR archive. Next, click Set Password ***. This opens the encryption settings, where you can create the password that will protect the archive. Enter a strong and unique password. Use a long combination of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid information that other people could easily guess. Then enter the password again to confirm it. If you're creating a RAR archive, you can also enable *encrypt file names *. This adds another layer of privacy by preventing people from seeing the names of files inside the archive without the password. Once your encryption settings are ready, click OK ***, then click OK again in the main archive window. WinRAR will now create the encrypted archive. Now let's test the encryption. Open the newly created archive and try to access one of the protected files. WinRAR should request the password. Enter the correct password and verify that the files can be opened or extracted. After extraction, open the destination folder and verify that the files are intact. It's a good idea to test important encrypted archives before deleting the original files. Keep in mind that encryption is only as strong as the password protecting it. Use a unique password, store it safely, and never forget that password. Also, keep secure backups of important files because encryption doesn't protect against accidental deletion or hardware failure. And that's how to encrypt files with WinRAR in 2026. Whether you're protecting personal documents, private photos, work files, or other sensitive information, WinRAR can help secure them inside a password-protected archive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.